get asked a lot, why did we start Freepoint and why did we start Freepoint now? And the best analogy I can think of is bowling. Do you remember bowling? Do you remember going bowling in the 80s? What was bowling like? You had a bowling ball, a whole bunch of pins, you tried to hit the pins down, you kept score. You kept score on a piece of paper with a pencil after every frame. There was one person that was the scorekeeper, and the rest of you sat around waiting your turn. People thought bowling was going to die, that we were seeing the end of bowling, and sure enough, bowling alleys were leaving, they were dying, but something really, really strange happened. Technology was introduced into bowling, big screens were put up on the end. People started coming back to the bowling alleys. Everybody was in the game. Whenever anything exciting happened, it was on the scoreboard. Bowling is alive and well, and if you haven't gone bowling in the last 20 or 30 years, I invite you to do that. That's exactly what's happening with manufacturing. People used to keep score with pencils and paper, and it was only one person keeping the score, and everybody else just sort of standing around waiting for their chance to do something. Technologies like Freepoints and the Internet of Things and the new software, all of that stuff is meant to engage people, to bring that kind of enthusiasm, that kind of excitement, that kind of information back to the factory floor. If you're not doing these kinds of things now, you should be.